Helix Healthcare Group proudly presents this waking meditation to help you increase your confidence. We're going to begin by taking 3 deep breaths. Take a deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and then let it out. Take another deep breath, holding it again for a moment, and then letting it out. Take one more deep breath, holding it, and then letting it out. Just allow yourself to breathe naturally and easily now as I talk to you. Just letting yourself be as present as you can in this very moment. Letting go of the future, letting go of the past, and just being present. Any time that you need to bring yourself back to this moment, all that you need to do is reconnect with your breathing. Your breath will serve to relax you, as well as connecting you to the present. The more that you breathe, the more it allows you to increase this feeling of peace and relaxation in your body. That's right. As you continue to enjoy this feeling of mindful relaxation, I'm going to repeat some helpful, positive suggestions and affirmations to you. In this focused, mindful state of awareness that you are in now, your mind is more receptive and sensitive to these words, so that these suggestions that I present to you can sink deeply into the unconscious part of your mind if you choose and if you allow them to. They can make a lasting impression there. These suggestions that I give to you can help you to resolve your difficulties. They can help you to become more confident. They can help you with your thinking. They can help you to think more clearly, more objectively, more realistically, and more positively. They can help you with your feelings. They can make you feel less anxious, less upset. They can help you with your actions and your behaviors. All of these things that I say to you, you can choose to accept them for your own good. And if you choose to accept them for your own good, then they will happen more and more frequently. These feelings that I tell you that you can experience more and more strongly every day. And these things can happen just as powerfully when you're at home, when you're at work, or wherever you are, in any situation that you may find yourself in. I'm going to suggest to you that as a result of this focused state of awareness, you feel physically, mentally, and emotionally stronger and fitter in every way. Your mind calmer and clearer, more composed, more placid, more tranquil. Every day you become much less easily tired, much less easily fatigued, much less easily discouraged, much less easily upset, much less easily depressed. Every day you learn to relax, and your mind and body feel physically stronger and healthier. Your nerves become stronger and steadier, your mind calmer and clearer. You feel composed, relaxed, and able to let go. That's right. And as you become more relaxed, less anxious, and less worried every day, you will begin to find a new feeling within yourself, a new confidence as you go about your day-to-day activities. Repeat the following words in your mind or say them out loud to give them greater strength. I am calm. I am relaxed. I am in control. I feel safe. I feel secure. I feel confident. I feel empowered. Allow these words to flow through you, flowing through your bones, your muscles, your cells, your organs. Feel them. Believe them. I feel calm. I feel relaxed. I feel in control. I feel safe. I feel secure. I feel confident. The more that you repeat these positive affirmations, the more they will affect you. I'm going to suggest that every time that you look at, hear, or touch water, it reminds you of these suggestions. I am calm. I am relaxed. I am in control. I feel safe. I feel secure. I am confident. Always remember the power of the words that you use with yourself and with others. Take a few more deep breaths as you allow yourself to absorb this experience, ready to proceed with the rest of your day. Be well.